Help students explore their CPR first aid skills, especially utilizing available resources with our all-in-one CPR first aid training kit. Each kit includes one roll of non-sterile conforming gauze, 2 gauze pads, 2 non-woven triangular bandages, 1 CPR training shield, 1 pair of vinyl gloves. The face shield and large vinyl gloves are packaged together and are both latex free. The gloves are size large. The face shield measures 7.5 inches by 11.75 inches and works well with most types of training mannequins. It is designed with graphics indicating hand placement for administering breaths along with visual reminders of proper head tilt and chin lift technique. The roll of non-sterile conforming gauze is wrapped separately and measures 3 inches by 9.1 yards when rolled out. The 2 gauze pads measure 4 inches by 4 inches. The 2 non-woven triangular bandages are individually wrapped and measure 42 by 42 by 59 inches when unfolded. These will for sure spark classroom creativity during splinting exercises. With this popular kit, you can teach your students how to use direct pressure to control bleeding, treat soft tissue injuries, and care for injuries to muscles, bones, and joints. Then turn the rescue breathing component of CPR in preventing disease transmission, all without needing to hand out additional materials. These particular CPR first aid training kits are sold in 10 packs, 100 packs, and cases of 500. Now you know what to expect when you are receiving your CPR first aid training kit. For more quality CPR first aid training supplies and accessories, please feel free to check out the MCR Medical Storefront. Thank you so much for watching and have an awesome day.